the set builder form of the set 1 by, see if I'll write this 1 by 1, 2 by 7, 3 by 17. So here if you'll observe carefully, the first one is 1 by 2 into 1 square minus 1. Check the first value. 1 by 2 into 1 square is 1. So 2 into 1, 2 minus 1. So that is 1 by 1. First value is 5. Second one, 2 by 2 into 2 square minus 1. So 2 by 2 into 2 square is like 4 minus 1. So 2 by 2 times 4, 8, 8 minus 1, 7. So once we'll check the third value. 3 by 2 into 3 square minus 1. So 3 by 2 into 3 square is 9 minus 1. So 3 by 2 times 9, 18, 18 minus 1, 17. So here we got these values when we are taking x by 2x square minus 1 and x belongs to natural numbers and last value is 5. So x is less than or equal to 5. So 2x square minus 1 we have two options, but here it is less than 5 but we are taking 5, so less than or equal to 5. So the correct option is 3. The expanded form of log 343 to the base 125. So see, this is in the form of like log a by b to the base x. So log a to the base x minus log b to the base x. So I can write as log 343 minus log 125. So 343, if you do the prime factorization, you will get 7 cube. 125, you will get 5 cube. Now if I use the logarithm of power, log a to the power of m to the base x equals m log a to the base x. So here I'll get like 3 log 7 to the base 10 you can take, and here 3 log 5 to the base 10. If you take 3 common, log 7 minus log 5. 3 into log 7 minus log 5. So the correct option is 4. If A is subset of B, then A union B minus A. So whenever they'll tell A subset of B, take one example and then solve it. It will be easy to understand. A subset of B. A I'll take 1, 2. B I'll take 1, 2, 3. Now I need to find A union B minus A. So A union B, you'll get like, see, A subset of B means all the elements of A should be in B. 1, 2, 1, 2. So that is A subset of B. A union B. Union means we need to write all the elements like without repeating, like 1, 2, 3. Minus A. If you do minus A, you are getting like 1, 2. Then see what will you get now? Option is just, if you subtract 1, 1, 2, 2, you are left with only 3. So 3 is not A and not B also. Okay. So, and it is not null set also. So correct option is B minus A. But we'll check once, like B minus A will do and we'll check. See, A is 1, 2. I didn't get that. So this is not the correct answer. B is 1, 2, 3. I didn't get 1, 2, 3. So that is also not the. And 2 option is null set. I didn't get null set also. So B minus A, once you check, like 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 2. So I am left with like 3. See, we got B minus A. So this is not the answer. The correct option is 4. HCF of two numbers. The first number, if you will consider 3 power 7 into 5 cube into 2 power 4. Second number 3 square into 7 power 4 into 2 power 8. HCF is highest common factor. Now see here. Here we have 3 square, 3 power 7. So how many will be common? Like 3 square. 5 cube, but here we don't have anything 5, so 5 is not possible. 2 power 4, 2 power 8. So 2 power 4. because out of 4 and 8 we have 2 power 4 like common, and 7 we have only in this, we don't have in this, so we don't have common. So the answer is, if you write in order, 2 power 4 into 3 square. So the HCF is 2 power 4 into 3 square. The correct option is 1. The probability of any given day in the month of May not being a Monday if the first day of May is Monday. So see, in May we have 31 days and the 1st of May is Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Suppose if we'll take this, first day is Monday. So next 8th plus 7, like see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I'll add 7 to this, the 8th date will be again Monday. Add 7 to this, again the 15, add 7, 22, add 7, 29. We have 31 days, 31. So 29th of May also will be Monday. 30 also will be Monday, so Tuesday. 31 will be Wednesday. Now see, they are asking not being a Monday if the first day of May is Monday. If first day is Monday, then we are getting 5 Mondays. Out of 31, if we'll take out like 5 Mondays, if we'll take out, how many days are left? 26 days are left which are not Monday. So they are asking probability of not being a Monday in May or in the given month. So answer is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So here number of favorable outcomes. See, not being a Monday. Monday means it is 5, but not being a Monday is like 26. Total number of outcomes in May is 31. So 26 by 31. So the correct option is 3. The mean of 10 observations is 16.3. So mean formula is sum of the observations by number of observations. So the mean is 16.3. Sum of the observations, how many? 10 observations. So by an error, one observation is registered as 32 instead of 23. So okay, first solve this one. 16.3 into 10, that is sum of the observations. So sum of the observations is 163. Now here in this sum, while doing addition of all the observations, there was an error registered as 32 instead of 23. So if we'll find this one, like in sum, if we'll correct that 163, I'll take out the wrong observation. I'll take out the wrong observation and I will add the correct observation. If we'll take out the wrong observation and if we'll add the correct observation, 163 minus 32 it is printed instead of 23. So 162 plus 23. 162 plus 23 is 186 minus 32. So this sum you are getting like 154. Sum is 154. So new mean, if you do sum of the observations by number of observations, that is 154. Sum of new observations is 154 by total number of observations 10. So 15.4 is the new or corrected mean. The correct mean is 15.4. So the correct option is 3. The mean of data is 10 if each observation is multiplied by 2 and 1 is subtracted from each result. The mean of new observation is. So see, the mean of the data is 2. See, whatever will be the how the observations will get affected, in the same way the mean also will get affected. So if each observation is multiplied by 2, so mean also will multiply with 2, and we'll subtract from that result because each observation is multiplied by 2 and 1 is subtracted. So 20 minus 1. So the answer is 19. But this if we'll explain in detail. So let the observations be x1, x2, so on, xn. Then the mean will be sum of the observations by number of observations. So x1 plus mean they gave 10, x1 plus x2 plus so on xn by number of observations. So cross multiply 10 times n is x1 plus x2 plus so on xn. So this you can consider as equation 1. Now they told if each observation is multiplied by 2, so 2x1 minus 1 and 1 is subtracted, 2x2 minus 1, so on 2xn minus 1. Now if I'll calculate the mean for this, mean is sum of the observations by number of observations. 2x1 minus 1 plus 2x2 minus 1 plus so on 2xn minus 1 by n. 2x1 plus 2x2 all 2x1, 2x2, 2x3 so on 2xn, I'll write together 2xn minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 how many times? N times because there are n observations by n. So if we'll take 2 common, x1 plus x2 plus so on xn minus n by n. x1 plus x2 plus so on xn value here is 10n. That if we'll substitute 2 times 10n minus n by n. So 2 times 10, 20n minus n by n. So that is 19 times n by n. N will get cancelled. So the answer is 19. So which I told already. So see what I want to say is like if each how the observations will get affected, in the same way the mean will get affected. Here they told each observation is multiplied by 2 and 1 is subtracted. So mean also will multiply with 2 and 1 will subtract, will get directly answer. In an AP, if the pth term is q, so AP is q and the qth term is p, AQ is p. We need to find its common difference. So what is AP? Because AN formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. So AP will be A plus P minus 1 into D. A plus PD minus 1 into D equals Q. And here A plus Q minus 1 into D. A plus QD minus D equals P. Now I will eliminate these two. A plus PD minus D equals Q. A plus QD minus D equals P. If I eliminate minus, minus, plus, minus. A minus A, D minus D plus D cancel. So PD minus QD, Q minus P. So if we'll take D common, here you'll get P minus Q. Q minus P, I can add a minus of P minus Q. See this term I'll explain. Minus of, see it was actually Q minus P. I can add as minus P plus Q, both are same. Now if I take minus common, P minus Q. So A minus B, when you write as B minus A, you will get like whole minus. D is equal to minus of P minus Q by P minus Q. P minus Q, P minus Q cancel. Therefore D value is minus 1. So the common difference is minus 1. So the correct option is 2. 3, minus 1, 2, 6 and minus 5, 7 are the midpoints of the sides of a triangle ABC. So here ABC, if we take a triangle, A, B, C. These are the midpoints. You can take D, 3 comma minus 1, E, 2 comma 6, and F you can take it like minus 5 comma 7. So these are the three midpoints. So see, the triangle formed by joining the midpoints are the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints is 1/4 of the whole triangle. 1/4 of the area of whole triangle. That is like area of triangle DEF is 1/4 of the area of triangle ABC. So we need to find the area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC is, if you cross multiply, 4 times area of triangle DEF. So now to find the area of DEF, so you can take the values. D is 3 comma minus 1, E 2 comma 6, F minus 5 comma 7. So you can take like x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So now area of triangle DEF is half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So half mod x1 is 3, y2 is 6 minus y3 is 7 plus x2 is 2, y3 is 7 minus y1, minus of minus, it will become plus 1. x3 is minus 5, y1 value is minus 1, minus y2 is minus 6. So half 3 times 6 minus 7 is minus 1, 2 times 7 plus 1 8, plus into minus minus 5, minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. Half 3 times minus 1 is minus 3, 2 times 8 16, minus into minus plus 7 times 5 35. So half mod 16 minus 3 is 13. 13 plus 35 is 48. So half of 48 is, or you can write 48 by 2. So 48 by 2 is 24 square units. So area of DEF is 24. So area of triangle ABC is 4 times area of triangle DEF. So 4 times 24. So 4 times 24 is 96 square units. So the correct option is 1. See, this is, if the median of the data 24, 25, 26, x plus 2, x plus 3, 30, 31, 34. So median of this problem is 28.5. Actually in the question they should give find x. So and data is already, it is arranged in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 observation. So even number of observation. Even number of observation. If even number of observation, then median is n by 2 observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. Average of n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. So here total observations are like 8. So 8 by 2. So okay, that is plus 8 by 2 plus 1th observation by 2. 8 by 2 is 4th observation plus 4 by 2, 8 by 2 4 plus 1 5th observation. So average of 4th and 5th observation is a median. So here fourth observation is x plus 2 and fifth observation is x plus 3 by 2 is 27.5. Now here x plus x 2x, 2 plus 3 5, 27.5 into 2. So 27.5 into 2 is 55. So 2x equals 55 minus 5. So 2x equals 50. So x equals 50 by 2. So the value of x is 25. So the correct answer is